Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from a price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward. And to summarize today's price movement in kind of just trading jargon, this is what would be known as a gap and trap. Now, if you're new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right here, and then on Friday, this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a very, very big gap up. The opening bell rang, and then this is where things get savage. The price moved a little bit up here, but then a bunch of poor souls were buying up around this area. And from that point forward, it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that is the gap and trap that has taken place, which now brings about a very important level of support, and one that I would call a must-hold, do or die, whatever dramatic term you could think of. And that's down there at $5. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 5 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that the price just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price does come down here a little bit, bounces around and heads back upwards. At least in that situation, you'd have a set of lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, at least you'd have big picture stair steps still making progress in the upwards direction. So like I said, from 5, that's why it's very, very important. It's literally telling us whether the price is showing signs of progress or if the price is going back to where it was. As far as areas of resistance, first key area of resistance is going to be right there at 675. And then after 675, next key level up there right around $7.50. So keep your eye on these levels moving forward, and we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.